HSG Heavy Industries global industrial partner. The energy we rely on every day is managed by highly complex technologies, often hidden from view. Liquefied natural gas at cryogenic temperatures, large offshore platforms, and structures that must operate reliably in the most extreme environments. At the center of these industries, there is one essential requirement: precise engineering and dependable manufacturing. HSG Heavy Industries exists to meet that requirement. HSG Heavy Industries is a specialized manufacturer of industrial and offshore structures, serving the shipbuilding, offshore plant, and energy sectors. Over the years, we have built strong capabilities in delivering large-scale, high-specification structures, particularly for LNG carriers and offshore platforms. Through consistent execution and technical discipline, we have earned trust where reliability is non-negotiable. Our core strength lies in being more than a fabricator. HSG Heavy Industries is a company that understands structure, load, and operation. We design and manufacture with full consideration of structural loads, vibration, cryogenic conditions, and long-term maintainability. As a result, our structures perform as intended in real operating environments, not just on drawings. One of our key business areas is the LNG containment system. HSG Heavy Industries manufactures critical components installed inside LNG carrier cargo tanks, including the pump tower. The pump tower is a core structure that enables safe and efficient LNG loading and unloading. It must maintain structural integrity under extreme cryogenic temperatures, while supporting pumps and piping systems without tolerance for failure. HSG Heavy Industries delivers pump towers designed and fabricated to meet these stringent requirements, supported by robust quality control and inspection processes. In addition to LNG systems, we have extensive experience in offshore and large structural components. Our scope includes jacking up legs, jack cases, deck blocks, braces, large platforms, stair towers, and escape tunnels. These are not merely large steel products. They are high engineering structures that require precise calculations, accurate fabrication, and a deep understanding of offshore operating conditions. From design coordination to fabrication and quality verification, HSG Heavy Industries performs all work in compliance with international standards and classification society requirements. This disciplined approach allows us to support not only individual projects, but long-term partnerships with global clients. We believe this. A strong industrial company does not speak through excessive marketing, but through reliable results in the field. HSG Heavy Industries continues to work quietly, but precisely, building the structural foundation of modern industry. As the energy industry evolves, the demand for safer, more sophisticated structures will only increase. HSG Heavy Industries is ready to stand as a trusted technical partner in that future. HSG Heavy Industries, industrial structures for a reliable future.